Okay, today I'm doing a video based on the wobble of uppers for AR308s. Here I have a Nemo Arms 308, and a lot of people probably noticed that even though if it's a match receiver set, there is a slight wobble to it. Let me just show you. Um, to remove this wobble, um, you basically can't use the AccuEdge. It kind of sits far back from the rear pivot pin, so it won't push up against this one stub that's, the connecting point, of course. So, what a lot of AR308 manufacturers for billet aluminum or forged, they incorporated this one screw, and just this one unique screw here, as you can see, it has this rubberized tip to it. Okay, and that is pretty much inserted where your hand grip is. If you guys can see this last one, this one right here, the closer one towards the trigger, is your mounting point for your hand grip, your pistol grip. So with this, it's aligned with the takedown pin, as you can see. And so, with that in mind, it'll be pushing up against the post part for the mounting point. So, this is a 3/32 set screw, but with a rubberized tip. So what it is basically you put it down in there, and you use your 3/32 Allen head, and you pretty much go far in, and you try to get it to the point where it sticks up enough. Let's see. Hopefully I can get it all the way. Please be patient. There is a long path to it. And as you can see, the pin is actually coming up over there, so it'll take a while for me to get it up there. I should have used my other Torx, so. It's almost there. Probably about 7 more twists like this. A couple more, like so. Okay, so I barely stuck it up a little, so now we're going to check the alignment and spacing. So we'll see if there's a wobble. There's still a wobble. Okay, so I need to rotate it a little bit more. Come on, go in the hole. So there is no such thing as an AccuEdge for these, and there you have it. It's pretty much locked down, so let's double check the amount of tension on the thing, and it's right there. It's sticking up a bit, probably about a good, probably 1/32 or 1/16 worth sticking up, if you can see it. So when you actually close it down and lock it in, there is no wobble. So there you have it. There's no such thing as an AccuEdge. All high-end receivers have this one hole in here, and they should provide you with a set screw with a rubberized tip. in order to push up that mounting point for your rear takedown pin. So hopefully this gives you a lot of information on how to get rid of a wobble. It may accurize your shots, but I have still yet to test it out. This is my first build for AR308, and there you go. There you have it. A set screw with a rubberized tip in order to push up on this in order to stop the wobble. No wobble.